Okay, finally, it's time to talk about keyword let. Okay, routine, the starter code was print, and we'll name our function with let t. Recall that we cannot name a function with a keyword. Okay, right now you should be very familiar with let a equals 1 and some expression like that. This is how you create a variable and assign values to it. But now we will learn something else. Now let's create a scope, an empty scope, and specifically we don't have semicolon after the scope. Let's try to build it now. Okay, it's working. So semicolon is not needed? Maybe. Okay, let's just keep trying. We'll write let b equals 2 and build again. Whoops, what happened? Well, basically this is because move does allow the last expression in the scope doesn't end with a semicolon. And this will treat the last expression as a return value. But if we have more code after this, then it's no longer the last expression and it cannot be treated as a return value. So it needs to end with a semicolon right now. Now let's try something else. Alright, let c equals scope, let d equals 1, and d plus 1. Here we don't have semicolon and the scope. So what do you think we'll get if we print c now? So we see that within the scope we define a new variable d and the last expression d plus 1 without semicolon, so it should return d plus 1, which should be 2. Let's now build and try to print it. Okay, nice, it's actually 2. So what happens if we add semicolon after d plus 1 and build? Well, errors. So if no expression is returned, then we can no longer assign value to c. Okay, time for wrap up. Only the last expression in the scope can have no semicolon, and in that case it is treated as a return value. So here with semicolon, no value is returned, so nothing is assigned to the variable with the keyword let. Okay, that's it for this section. See you in next one.